Hello guys. How is going? Hi Udi. How are you? I hope you are very well. Uh, so let me know if the audio is working, and I think yes, but I don't know. I hope yes. Okay, you are great. Fantastic. Hey Mark, how is going? So, I'm doing this video because this live because today I would like to talk about the audio import feature on Elements, and also to talk about the of course a lot of features of Elements, but remember that today the upgrade is available. So for all the users now there is the upgrade. So navigate to 0G website, click on update tab, and there is this information. Click here, and this is the page where you can download the free update. So please read the instructions here, but now I'm going to explain how to install this upgrade, but it's really easy. It's simple to install. Anyway, click on this link here so you can download the file. And now I've downloaded the file here. So this is the folder. Okay, before you begin the update process, remember, please close your DAW, close contact, and when you have closed your DAW and contact, you can copy these files here to the main Elements folder. So just drag and drop, copy these files to the main Elements folder, and you are ready. Of course, there is the new installer inside this snapshot folder. There is the new installer for the new presets for Elements number 4, which is the Elements with the time menu, which I've shown yesterday. Anyway, maybe today I will talk also on I will show you also time menu. So this is the update workflow. So really easy. Anyway, in this page there are all the infos. You can take a look at this page, and remember, of course, this update requires contact 6.1. Okay, now I'm working on a new demo with Elements, of course, also to test my new system with Windows 11, and let me say is working really well. I love this Windows 11, not problem at all. And of course I created a not optimized Windows installation, so just a little bit of tuning as usual on Windows, but now is working very well. I love this build. And okay, so this is just a demo test on my new template with, of course, there is elements, a lot of elements, and of course other libraries. I'm working also with Clara because we are working. We are starting to work on something that maybe will be next chapter of Etheria series, because of course after Ethera Gold 2.5 and that is the main version, then there is the intimate vocals, and then there is Sahara voices. Now we have started, we are starting to work on another fantastic, I think, chapter that maybe will be will have a great focus on the Nordic vocal. And so this is just an example. Clara as recording these vocals. And okay, now I go in play, then I will show you the audio import features and other thing. This is I created just a little bit of mastering, but really a really fast mastering here. And then of course I have to remember to deactivate this plugin, because now I have a lot of latency and I can't play in real time. Hey, do you ever sleep? Yeah, I sleep a little bit. Okay, let's start. Let's take a look at this sound here. So of course I used only elements for the sounds. For the instruments, there is a little part with Ethera Gold 2.5 just to have some vocals, male vocals, showed, like now I set in solo to have these vocals here. But then there is of course the tracks with Clara that I've recorded, and so this is just an example of what maybe will be the new Ethera Nordic voices, because this is the mood of the vocals maybe that I would like to insert in a next Etheria series. About the instruments here, let me take a look. as you can see, this is a big template. So remember yesterday I've talked about the latency, the buffer size of the system. So remember, this is a big template. I'm using also a lot, for example, Sienna by Acoustic Audio, and I'm using also in this case on the master bus Acoustic Audio Diamond 3, which is a fantastic mastering plugin. But of course, as for you know that Acoustic Audio is has a fantastic sound in general. Are plugins that have a fantastic sounds, but of course, to work very well with these plugins, you have to set the buffer size. With a big value. For this reason, usually I work, as I said yesterday with this setting, because to me is the best setting. 512 in this with this buffer size, I can work a lot with a lot of tracks, with a lot of elements tracks, other libraries. In this template, I have a lot of libraries. So there are no problem at all. Okay. Okay, now let me show you some tracks here. Now I put in off the vocals. So as you can listen, I used this cello pattern one which is absolutely fantastic to create this folk medieval sound. Let me take a look. For example, now I put in solo this one. Maybe with maybe I have to check this timing. Yeah, a little bit here. Okay. Hey. Okay, thanks. Let me check with the vocal again. Okay, now I setting off my acoustic audio plugin here, so I can play, because I want to try to play element. I setting off also this one, fab filter L2. Maybe I activate this one just to have a little bit of limiting with the low latency, and then I close also my brain work. Okay, now I have only 1 milliseconds, about 1 millisecond. Okay, so for example, this is the patch of cello. So yesterday I talked of this patch because, for example, in this case I started from cello pattern 1, and then I created another layer with the layer 2. So this sound works very well in this context. Of course, you have to play in real time with a nice tempo sync, with a nice timing. Let me try with input quantize just to test. Anyway, with input quantize I can't play many notes. Yeah, I can play because of course there is a real-time quantizer. So anyway, this is a fantastic sound. Let me try to add maybe another layer just to test. Let me try with I don't know, let me try with auto harp guitar. Nice, very nice. Now I just try with, let me try with this sound, with this track here, just to play over this part. this track here. I don't remember. There is a low soundscape. Okay, maybe it's this one, which is underwater. Now I won't try to put enough. Okay, I love this. Yeah, I love Trevor Morris. Fantastic composer. I love that guy. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, let me try another combination, maybe with another cello sound. Cello pattern 1, cello pattern 2 on layer 2. Maybe I can try with pattern 3. Let me try. So this is pattern 3. Okay. Let me try. Hey Fabian. This is a sound from Elements time menu, but I need to cut a little bit the low end here. Yeah, better. Oops. Okay, this percussion, maybe I need to cut a little bit the low end here. Okay. I want to try to load another perk tribal here and create a pan pot just to give a little bit of wide. Let me try perk tribal 1. The effect is nice, sounds good. Let me try. Yeah, I love. So I want to re-record this part. Yeah. I don't remember this part. Ah, okay. Hey, Greg. Yeah. Okay, let me try with the vocals by Clara. Nice. Okay, I want this percussion here. Okay, I quantize. Yeah, this I love absolutely this cello pattern one. Let me try also with some. I think that together works very, very well. Some Eduardo library. Yeah, maybe a didgeridoo. Oops. Nice combo. No, sorry. Anyway, I love the combination, this combination here, cello pattern one, a little bit customized because I added another layer, and this Dark Hira, fantastic library by Eduardo. Big fan here, Eduardo, of your library as well. I love this combination, really, really good. Let me try with another one, maybe a pipes, together the cello by elements. Maybe on the right. There we go. I love. Really, really like. Let me try with overtone. Oh yeah, this is maybe with let me try with medieval this era 2. Nice combo, nice combo. Anyway, Elements works very well together. Eduardo libraries like Hira 2 and Dark Hira, of course. A nice combination. Really, really good. Anyway, this I really happy because this new setup works very well, and I love that I can work on Windows 11 without any issues. Okay, maybe if you want, I would like to explain a little bit the audio import feature, because yesterday I I missed this feature, so let me try to duplicate this track so I can explain, because there is a user that asked me to explain these features. So let me setting off my console one. Okay, so element audio import, element number 3, of course. With this version, you can drag and drop an external sample. This is a nice feature because, of course, it opens a lot of sound design possibilities. For example, if you go if you navigate into audio import user folder, there are some examples that you can try maybe to understand what you can do with this audio import version. For example, now I load this instrument here, and in audio import version, the layer 3 is the user layer, where you can drag and drop the external sample inside the elements. Now I play. I'm playing also maybe another library. Okay. So for example, this sound here, I created this sound with this track inside this folder here. It's just an example, so it's a my track, just to try this feature. For example, this is the track. I think that you can understand. So it's a complete mix. Okay, so when you drag and drop this file here, you can select one of these these engines, and of course, for example, time mode free, which means that there is not sync. This is useful to create no synced sound, like in this example. And now I open this panel, and I can try to create some sound. For example, with offset, I can navigate into the sample. So this is a long track, so I can So with time mode free, you can use the time stretching. Of course, you can use spectral. So it's a powerful sound design tool. But maybe you can also try. So the workflow is this one. Let me explain a little bit the workflow, because it's important. When you have created your when you have created a new sound, now you have to resave the instrument. Okay, so you can click here, save as, and maybe you can. I suggest you to use this folder to create a new library with external sample, and maybe you can also copy an external sample inside this folder here, just to have all inside the elements folder. Anyway, now I can give a name. I can rename this instrument here new sound, just to show you this this workflow. And so I don't. Oh no. Okay. Thanks. No, this is not normal, because I have select patch plus sample. So remember to click only on patch only, because you have not. It's not important to resave all the instruments, so you can click directly on patch only and give you your name. Now if you close, if I close, I navigate here, new sound. Now I have my new sound here. So when you want to create again a new sound, close this one and reopen the main audio import instrument. This is the workflow, because this is empty, and it's important that this is always empty. So don't resave over this instrument here, but save as in another folder. Another workflow that I love, for example, is of course you can drag and drop any samples inside the elements, but you can try also if you navigate into the samples folder where there are all the elements folder. You can try also with some of these. There are a lot of samples here, maybe to create something different. Okay, let me try with this one. Of course, you can add a layer. With the factory sound. Remember that format and smooth are two controls that you can use when you select the format engine. Let me show you. So in particular, I love the use of format with this kind of sample that are drum loop, like this one, to create this particular vocoder sound. I love this example. Maybe let me try with another sound. So it's a really powerful feature because you can create a new sound in any time. It's absolutely a fantastic feature. Let me try with another sound. Let me try with this one. So absolutely, hi Daniela, absolutely powerful. Let me try with maybe, I don't know, for example, I can navigate into my innuendo loop here. I don't know, maybe let me try. I don't know if I can't listen this sound because I have to change my I don't remember where is this feature, configuration, editor, no, audio, I don't remember where is metering, no, UST. Oh, great, Daniela. Download the upgrade because today is available. I don't remember where is this feature, but anyway, I have to check after. Anyway, the audio import is powerful because you can create a new sound. Of course, Elements has a lot of samples, so I think that you can create something different just using the factory sound here. Not for now, Daniela, because it's a long work. Maybe in the future. So the audio import is really powerful. Let me try with this one. So I'm using the factory samples, but as you can see, I'm creating just in real time a lot of fantastic, for example, soundscape. Just drag and drop the samples inside the engine, and use the layer 3, which is the user layer, and maybe you can combine layer 3 with the factory samples, and you can create a lot of interesting sound. Exactly, Greg. Let me try with this one. Yeah, Greg, is it's available right now. Okay, so this is the audio import. Remember, when you have created the sound, right, click on this floppy icon, save as, and resave the new instrument with a new name inside the audio import user folder. I think it's the best way. Yeah, the upgrade is available. Just a recap on the new feature. Of course, there is time menu here. So now if you click on the panel, you have this icon here, and you can change the way of the time stretching. So no sync, which means that there is no time stretching. This is useful because, for example, if I want create a new sound, of course I created for you just some starting preset, just a starting point. Of course, there are not the presets that you can use with Elements 1 because the engine is different, so different presets. Anyway, I created these presets just as starting point, but this in particular, the time menu, is absolutely, in my opinion, really useful when you want to create sound from scratch. For example, let me explain no sync because it's important. For example, if I want to create, I don't know, a soundscape, maybe I can start with this element here, water, metal, air, I don't know. Let me try with air. So this type of sound don't need the sync mode. So I suggest to use this no sync because with this setting the sample is not stretched, so is original. It's played with the original sound quality. Of course, you can use, if you want, the stretch here to create a time stretched sound, just to create the sound design. Let me try with maybe another sound just to explain. Of course, if you load a sound, a sample like maybe a cello. Zeus leg. Of course, you don't need maybe the sync. Okay, but if you want to create, for example, a sequence, maybe I load a synth sequence. Okay, in this case, of course, you need of tempo synced. So click on sync. Of course, and now the sound is, the sample is synced to the BPM. If you click on double, you have double time. And if you click on half, of course, you have half time. And this is pretty cool because, for example, now I can create a sound just in real time with you. Maybe I can start with this one. With half time. Maybe I load another sequence here, but now I want double time. Okay, maybe I want to add another layer with, I don't know, with guitar, auto harp. So let me try with sync. Let me try with double, just to create an hybrid sound here. Okay, so I think are really useful this menu here to create sound. You can try different combination. I love this sound. Really organic. I like that. So this is an example of the sound possibilities of this library, because for example, layer 3 is a guitar sound, but I completely I completely customized that sound. Let me try with double. Nice. Let me try this sound inside this demo here. Nice. Yeah, it works. For example, I want to have, oh no, okay, I have the cutoff. I really like this preset. Maybe I save this sound because I love it. Yeah, I save this new preset. Okay, preset number 51. 51. Okay, give me a name. How I can what is the name of this sound? To be original, hybrid guitar, hybrid. Tuned percussive guitar. Okay, Greg. Perfect. Tuned percussive guitar. Et voila. Thank you. love. Let me try to. Usually, when I work, for example, as in this case with Element to create maybe new sound, then I create a nice preset, so I save. This way, I create a lot of new sound. Let me set a little bit less volume on this guitar. Okay, maybe I don't want the percussion now. How did the tempo change without Cubase's tempo changing? In Elements, you mean? With this menu here. Of course, this is the upgrade time menu. So with this new panel, with this new drop-down menu for each layers. Hey, Bernie. Yeah, with the new upgrade, yes. Okay, I love this new sound now that I created now. So I want this part here. Okay, quantize. Quantize this guy. Okay. Nice. No? Maybe in this part I need of again, because of course this is a work in progress, so I'm trying a different solution. As I said before, Clara has recorded these vocals, because also we are testing the right sound for the future Efera Nordic voices. After Sahara voices, I would like to create with Clara a chapter with a big focus on Nordic vocal, because of course Clara is the singer of Assassin's Creed Valhalla. So I think it's nice having a Efera only for Nordic voices. And so this is I think that mood maybe a fantastic, it will be nice, a true legato with this style. So we are starting on this. Okay, let me try with, I don't know if, no, this is used. So no, I need of another element. Okay, I use this one, duplicate track. Duplicate track. Okay, maybe I want a cello row, but maybe a half staccato. Let me try. Yeah, exactly. Okay, in this part I created this movement. Yeah, Greg, exactly. Yeah, I think if there are gold Nordic voices, it will be fantastic. I hope. Okay, let me check. Okay, well, I love how Dark Hera works with elements. It's a fantastic combo. Try with okay, maybe. Let me try.
Inisurim, trommebar, salin trom, kamensrim, tarn, kamensrim, tarn, dog, rizon, luppa,
Hi Daniela, bye.
Alletore trombar, et on, Alletore trombar, et tronican, sole trone from.
Oh. What is? Okay, no. I love this sound here. Oh yeah, this, it's perfect. Yeah, Dark Hera is pretty cool. Okay, I want this sound at the beginning. Let me try with this one. Very cool. Let me try to add another layer with a Native American flute, but with a different pitch. Maybe this one. Thanks, David, for this sound. Yeah, I like it. Maybe black hole, and I turn on this reverb. Yeah. nice. I love how you can customize the sound, for example, with this native flute. Maybe I can add another native flute on layer 3. So we have a low native, a deep native, sorry, flute on layer 1. Maybe I can add this one on layer 3. Okay. So 3 layers and sounds really nice. Okay, nice. Anyway, now I have to go. So this live stream just to, of course, to play a little bit, of course, with Element on my new system, because I'm using Windows 11. So remember, the free upgrade is available right now from 0G, so you can download. Hey Jets, thank you. And so remember, this free upgrade is available right now. And okay, now maybe I improvise the last time and then I go. Let me try maybe with the cello. Maybe I can record this guy here. Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. for watching. So yeah, you can take this free upgrade with time menu. And thanks, Jets. Thank you very much. Remember my suggestion of yesterday: when you works with this big template, when you works with elements in general, but when you when you have this kind of workflow with a lot of library, my suggestion is always work with these buffer size, because of course if you work on 128, your system is absolutely stressed and it's impossible for any machine. I have a nice computer, of course, a nice machine, but anyway, I suggest you always to work when you have a lot of tracks, a lot of libraries. It's impossible, in my opinion. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Okay, bye bye.